Okay, official score 25-38. Third quarter tayo.
Yung mga nandun sa baseline, pag-alis kayo dyan. Huwag tayo dyan. Iba tayo dun sa mga upuan. Marami tayo ng upuan doon. Huwag kayo dyan. Huwag kayo dyan. Pagdaling na mga gamit ninyo dyan.
Let's go, third quarter.
Start of the third quarter. Number 10 to number 24. Back to number 10. 2 points, 7. Rebound the line. Number 29. Number 24 to number 10. Hingalas by number 18. Pass to number 28. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Abdul number 20. Of the Lodi. Number 20 driving the ball. Pass to number 20. Ripano. Ripano pass to number 18. And then no good. Rebound by number 7. Of the red team. Pinapag-usapan mo yung nasa side dyan sa may ring. Back to tayo dyan. Pinapag-usapan mo yung mga nandiyan sa tuloy. Back to tayo dyan. Naman.
Oh, still. Mahabol na. Ang San Juan Integrated.
Ready, number 25 boys. Number 25, number 19. Pass number 24. 3 points by number 28. Rebound by the right team. Pass to number 20. Pass break.
Depano basket.
Excuse me, Mr. Kaiser. Hey, rebound press. Tawag mo tayo dyan. Dito mo tayo sa upuan. Maraming upuan. Sabi tayo. Huwag tayo dyan. Pinapalasabi yung side na yan. Players. Players. Mamaya sa kasasalin. Block by number 24. Rebound by number 18. Chavo. Substitution to celebrate. Set. Number 10, number 1. Rival. Number 10 to number 20.
Basket para kay Abdul. 42-27. Pass to Aki. Aki with the cross. Back to number 28. 4-3. Wala. Ayun na, Depano. Ball pass. Steal. Ang San Juan. Ayun na, ang Central. Oy, nervous na foul.
Number 20. Pushing. First personal foul. First foul. Number 20 on the first line. Person is
Basket.
Russell. Number 19. Last one. Number 30. Number 30. Saprisa. Pass number 18. Number 18. Attack number 18.
Out of bounds.
Substitution to celebrate. Substitution number 2 in. Number 18 now. Number 18 out. Number 18. Number 3. Rebel. Number 28 to number 1. So number 3. Number 3. That's my 18. And then
Number 7. basket.
Number 77, underrated versus number 2, that's number 20, number 20, umatake, no! Number 7, number 7, foul for number 20, second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Number 77, number 13. Go on.
Court violation.
Court violation. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Mr. Referee, substitution. Substitution. Number 10 out, number 3. Nice ball, number 20. Pass to number 20. Number 20, attack! No! The ball going, number 20. Number 28. Number 28, number 3. Attempt no good. Rebound by number 2, number 20. Number 2, number 8.
Jaco, yeah! There's a foul.
Now number 1. 2 free throw. So 1 and 2. Number 2.
2 shots para kay Jaco, yeah.
First
shot, no good.
Last throw. Jumper swing.
Second shot para kay Jaco. That's Jaco Yang.
Second throw, yes, go on.
Basket. Ano ba? Tatlo?
Last throw.
Last one, wala.
Substitution. Entering Tuso. Substitution number 1 out, number 10 in. Number 3, number 3, 20 to go. Being on a speed of 240, all the way team.
Last goal.
And last touch by 1. Single. Single. Number 7 again, number 20, number 20, number 20,
Oh, good and one. And shout out kay Boss Abdul.
Bonus free throw.
Amal niyang amahin.
Abdul.
$45 to 30.
Substitution, Mr.
5 minutes
Referee.
and 39 seconds.
Number 28 out, number 16. For the red team. Bonus throw, running to number 20, Abdul. On the right team. Abdul, rebound by number 20, on the right team. Pass to number 2, Abdul.
No call. Rebound by Abdul. Wala pa rin.
20 plus again. Number 40, attempt, number 3. Number 1 and number 2 again. But there is a whistle.
There's a foul.
7.
Number 7.
14 foul. 2 free throws. Another to number 3. On the right team.
Oh, on the free throw area.
First throw. No.
15 ang lamang ng Xavier.
Second throw.
Second shot.
Jumper swing.
Wala. Rebound, mga ko. Paso de paano? Wala. Out of bounds.
Substitution, Mr. Referee. Substitution. Number 30 out. 77 in. Number 20 out, 43 for the white team. Number 1 team. Number 10.
Better pass there. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Wong. Wong still. Bounce pass. Ganda ng pasa, pero di na mag-break. Kaya na, isa pa. Get their own miss. 45 to 32. Titus. Pass to Wong, floater. Basket para kay Wong. Another steal para kay Tansibek. Jaco with a side step, and that's a traveling.
Number 77 out, number 18. Ready, number 3. Pass to number 4 attack, number 11.
By Cole.
Pass to number 2.
Steal by Nolasco. Basket by Nolasco. Jaco Yang.
Number 2 of the white team. Attack,
Basket para Jaco.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Last touch by the white team. Right ball. White ball. Number 18 attack.
The final, no good.
Last touch by the white team.
Last touch.
Red team.
Good. Number 21.
Number 6. Number 3. Number 25. Number 2 the white team. Number 24 the white team.
Basket count and 1 para kay Hob.
First personal foul.
Villa.
Substitution
Ayan o.
sub.
Siwang pa.
Number 4, number 10, number 14, number 14.
Time remaining, last 22 seconds. $51-34.
Number 18 on the free throw line. Nelly. Rebound by the white team. Number 2. Number 1 on the white team. Number 2
Steal. Nolasco. Basket.
Number 2 on the white team. To number 30.
Depano pass to Evo. Huge bang. Nice shot para kay Evo.
To number 28.
What an extra pass. Too strong. Rebound by Evo. Oy. Last touch.
White ball. 94 to number 30 on the white team.
Depano.
Number 30 to number 2.
Pass to Jaco. Bounce pass. Tansipek. No good. Rebound by Evo.
score 36-55. In favor of Saprissa. Last 57 seconds. For the third quarter.
Nolasco, 4-3. 3-point by Nolasco. There's a foul.
Substitution, Mr. Referee.
Time remaining, last 39 seconds sa ating third quarter.
Substitution. Number 17, number 25 out. Number 17.
Monitor ko na siya. Si basket para kay Riley Depano.
Jumpers.
56-39. Rebound now. Ryan Central, drop pass to number 28, basket. 41-56. 15-point lead para sa Xavier. Oh, steal! Nolasco! Nag-iinit na si Nolasco. Oh!
Last touch.
56-43, down by 13 points para sa Xavier.
11 seconds. Remaining time for the third quarter.
Time remaining, 11 seconds left.
11 seconds.
Nolasco, 4-3, wala. Out of bounds.
Last 4 seconds.
Last 4 seconds.
2 seconds.
2, 1, tira. Ah. Okay, end of the third quarter. Official score 56-43. In favor pa rin sa Xavier School. Alright, tayo na daw na sa ating fourth and last quarter. 13-point lead para sa mga nakaputi. Ang Saprissa. Hey, shout out. Hey. Boss Abdul, idol. Coach Tuay Tang as well, dito rin. Let's go, fourth and last quarter. Makakabot pa kaya ang San Juan Central. Down by 20-point lead.
We are now watching Modern Marine Municipal and Saprissa. Start of the third, last and final quarter. The battle between Municipal and Saprissa. Let's go.
Let's go, fourth and final quarter. Sino kaya ang makakapasok para sa ating San Juan City palarong pangbansa? NCR. Number 21, binigay. Kick out. Basket para sa San Juan Central. Ayan na, humahabol. 11-point lead para sa Xavier. Abdul umatake and there's a foul.
Number 25. Sorry, number 25. Second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Substitution. Number 30 out, number 30 in.
Hamsan Noal integrated. There is a foul. Oh, it's a traveling. Violation.
Number 20. Basket number 3. Number 3. Dribbling the ball. Number 10 because Players sa mga yan, mga players sa natin, magpunta na dyan. Players, kumalayo. Saan?
Oh, steal. Ayan na, wala. Number 25. Baba sa 6. Let's go. Oh, steal. Time out, Xavier. Or Saprissa.
Time out. Pagpapag, pagpapag sa Saprissa. Official score, 50-55. In favor of Saprissa. Six-point lead para sa Xavier. Ayan na po. Wow, binigay. Oh! Outside. Ayun na. It's a foul. First team foul. Rebel. Number 3, on the red team, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 28. Number 28, number 23.
Nolasco. Oh my God. Wow, no good. Rebound by Abdul. Basket para kay Abdul. Seven na po. Official score po natin, 57-50 and time remaining 6 minutes and 18 seconds.
Substitution number 10, in number 3 out, number 17. Number 25. First throw.
Get the ball. Box out.
No good.
Last throw.
Let's go.
Box, box. Receive.
Last throw.
Get it. Get that
Second
ball.
shot para
Number
kay
2.
number 13. Wala. Rebound. Makuha. Number 7. Wala. Oh, steal by Go. Pass to Abdul. Titus. May taka ng bola. Binigay. Lepano. Pass to Go. Let's go. Ay na ang San Juan Central. There's a foul.
Official score 50-59 in favor of Saprissa.
50-59. 9-point lead para sa Xavier. There's the three. Good.
5 minutes and 28 seconds. The game time for the last and final quarter. Number 10, Los Angeles.
It's okay. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Defense.
Cabrera. Pass Cabrera. Cabrera fake. Jump shot. Short. Get the basket para San Juan Central. Pass to Depano. Oh! Chico Yang. Steps it down. 61. Sure ball yun. Para Chico. Oh, graduate. Si Titus. Graduate. Maliit si Titus lang. Time remaining 4 minutes and 38 seconds. There's the three. Wala. Rebound. Makuha. Time out. San Juan Central.
In favor of Saprissa. Remaining now 5 minutes and 22 seconds for the last and final quarter.
Tingnan natin, Hadel. District 1. Hindi pa po tapos ang laban. Basket by Abdul. Time remaining po natin 3 minutes and last 3 minutes left. And 56 seconds. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Wala. Abdul with a putback. He get their own miss. That's a traveling violation. Tenorio, pass to Jago. Jago, wala. Offensive rebound. Steal. Ayun na, nagpamadali. What a pass. Oh! Lala. Ayun na. Last 2 minutes tayo. Oh, steal. Ng San Juan Central. Number 23, nakalusot si number 25. Mahabol ang Central with a 12-point lead. Abdul atake, sidestep, wala, rebound, walk, no good. Jaco, guys, still. Number 21, nagpamadali. Oy, wala. Offensive rebound. Basket is good. Grabe, 10 na lamang ang hinahabol ng Central. Wang, binigay. Oy! Oh, 68. 10-point lead para sa Xavier. There you go. Okay na. Behind the back. Number 6, setting on the play. Pinasa kita. Umatake, using the board. Nakalusot ang San Juan Central doon. Last 1 minute na lamang. Ay na si Tenorio. Tenorio binigay. Abdul with the cross. Oh, still! Here we go. 2 against 2. Gets a shot. Oh, good! Rebound by Gold. But there's a foul. Number 7. 68-60. Bola na ang Xavier. Time out, Xavier. Sa prisa. Natin ang Adel. Ang ating Xavier. Ang mananalo po dito ay makakapasok para sa palarong pambansa NCR 2025-2026. Good luck from both team. 8 na lamang po ang hinahabol ng San Juan Central. Back to the ball game. Last 42.3 seconds remaining. 42.3 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating fourth and last quarter. Bola rito ng San Juan Central. Ay, sorry. Correction, bola ng Xavier.
Official score 16-16. Number 13. May isang total pa white team. White team, isang total pa kayo. Senior, isang total pa kayo. Back to the ring.
Let's go back to the ball game. Bola na ang Xavier.
Senior's ball.
Riley Depano.
Number 30.
Again for an inbound pass to
Number 30, attack.
Abdul. Nakalusot si Abdul. What a pass, number 25. Nakasagot. Tenorio. Depano. Last 18 seconds. 8.8. Time out. Xavier.
Official score 62-17 in favor of Saprissa. Remaining time 18 seconds for the last and final quarter. Players, back to the game. Players, 18 seconds remaining. Last 18 seconds remaining. 18 seconds for the
Last 18 seconds remaining. Bola ng Xavier.
The battle between
Saprissa.
and Saprissa. The championship game.
Yan.
Number 2. To number 10.
Opa! Basket para Igo.
Battle for the championship.
Get that ball.
Number 7, no good.
Last touch by number 20 of the red team.
Last 2 seconds. 2.9 seconds remaining. 2 and 1. And there you have it! At dito na po nagtatapos ng ating laban. What a nice game, intense game from both team. Manalo po ang Xavier School at sila na po ang magre-represent ng San Juan para sa ating paparating na NCR palarong pambansa 2025 to 2026 Elementary Division. And a nice game para sa San Juan Central Integrated School. Para close out game from both teams. Our final score 62-72. Congrats! Congratulations! Hello po. Ayan. Muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng inyong support at pag-share na ating live. At magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po.